Did you know that 2,500 years ago, a Persian king created the world's fastest mail system that puts modern delivery to shame? King Darius I ruled the biggest empire on Earth. His land stretched from India all the way to Greece. But how do you control something that massive when messages take months to travel? Darius had a brilliant idea. He built relay stations every 15 miles across his entire empire. Fresh horses waited at each stop. When a messenger arrived, he'd jump on a new horse and keep racing forward. This system was incredible. A message could travel 1,600 miles in just 7 days. That's faster than walking from New York to Miami in a single week. The riders were legendary. They rode through blazing deserts, freezing mountains, and deadly storms. Nothing stopped them. Their dedication inspired a famous motto that we still use today. Neither snow, nor rain, nor heat, nor gloom of night stops these messengers. Sound familiar? That's because the United States Postal Service borrowed those exact words from Darius's ancient Persian postal riders.